All right, so futures trading on Binance is a bit more advanced than spot trading, yeah, but I'll break it down step by step so you can actually understand how it works before you try it. First, log in and go to Derivatives, then click on USD-M Futures or Coin-M Futures. Before you trade, you need to move funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Now pick a trading pair like BTC to USDT futures. This is what you'll be trading. Here's the important part: leverage. It lets you trade with more money than you actually have, but it also increases risk. You can choose between cross margin or isolated margin. Isolated keeps risk limited to one trade. Now decide if you want to go long or short. Long means price goes up, short means price goes down. Always set stop loss and take profit. This helps you control risk and protect your money. Once your trade is open, you can track it in real time and close it anytime you want. And that's how you start futures trading on Binance. Take it slow, use low leverage at first, and yeah, never trade more than you can afford to lose.